Hello students, in this lecture we will see few more numericals on Hurwitz polynomial. So they will give you the polynomial and we have to check whether the polynomial is Hurwitz or not. So इधर क्या numerical दिया है, P of S is given. So all the terms are present. So you can separate out it into two parts. One part is known as even part of P of S and it is denoted as M of S, and it consists of the terms related with the even powers. So even this constant will get considered. Then you have to write down the odd part. So odd part में आ जाएगा 5s cube और 3s. Now the highest order is for the even part. So you have to do the continued fraction expansion, जिसको हम लोग CFE ये acronym दे सकते हैं, करने का है for M of S and N of S. So M of S आपका हो जाएगा डिविडेंड and 5s cube plus 3s आपका हो जाएगा डिवाइजर. So ये इधर ऐसा लिखा जाता है. Now you have to identify the first quotient. So here you have to divide 2s raised to 4 by 5s cube. So that turns out to be 2 by 5s. So that is the quotient. Now multiply quotient with this term. So you will get this thing. And now you subtract, do the subtraction. So you will have 24 by 5a square. Don't forget this one is also there. After this divisor will become the dividend. So it will go inside over here. And the remainder become the divisor. So ऐसे ही आपको आगे जाने का है, ये quotient आपको मिल जाएगा. So that quotient you will get by dividing 5s cube by 24 by 5s square. So you will get 25 by 24s. फिर आपको इसके साथ multiply करने का है. Do the subtraction over here. So you will get 47 by 24s as a remainder, which will become the divisor for the next step. And this divisor will become dividend over here. And so go ahead till you get the remainder as 0. Now check the order. The highest order आपका कितना था 4 and there are 4 quotients, no problem, and all these 4 quotients are positive. Hence what you can comment, the comment goes like this one, that the given polynomial is Hurwitz. अगर इसमें से कोई भी एक क्वोशंट आपका निगेटिव हो जाता था या कोई भी क्वोशंट अगर आपका निगेटिव हो जाता है तो वो Hurwitz नहीं रहता था. Let us move to the next numerical. So आपको ये polynomial दिया है P of S is equal to so and so. So we separate out the odd part and the even part. So पहले इधर even part लिखा गया है क्योंकि even part का order is the highest order and that is s to the power 4. And now you do the continued fraction expansion of M of S by N of S. M of S क्यों? क्योंकि वो highest order वाला है than the odd part. And you carry out the continued fraction expansion. But at this step you are getting a negative quotient. If you are getting a negative quotient over there, then the polynomial P of S is not Hurwitz. Remember this thing. So though you get the negative quotient over here in the third step, you have to carry out this process till you get 0 and then you can comment that P of S is not Hurwitz. Thank you.